take our Gorilla Tape, and this is going to use quite a bit of tape.
What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. And today we talking about winter sowing, y'all. Take a look at who we got featured today. We got the beautiful Water Jug and Juglets. Here we go. So yeah, I had to actually reshoot this a couple times because I didn't realize that I had all the labels showing. And YouTube be on that show it, pay for it type thing. You dig what I'm saying? Ha! So if I ain't getting paid for it, I ain't finna show it because I ain't endorsing it. But anyway, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a really simple way to start a bunch of seeds and save money on light and electricity, save time on having to come out and bring your stuff and harden it off for 20 minutes at a time, take it back in. Maybe you work, maybe you're doing all that, right? So today we are going to do the winter sow method, but I like to call mine the simplified winter sow method because I'm not about to use all that tape, all that string, whatever they be using to hold these joints together. I'm gonna get straight to the point, baby. So here we go. First things first, let's start out with a couple of things that you're gonna need. Drill, plugged in obviously. Drill bit. Also, I'll let you know that you do not have to use a drill for this. If you're a child or underage or just clumsy, make sure that you have somebody with you that can help you. You can heat up a nail and poke holes, anything like that. You can use the scissors for this, but I use the drill because it goes a lot faster, and I just want to show you how I do it, and we'll get right to it. So let's go. And this is winter sowing. So today I picked a heat wave of a balmy 30 degrees. Okay, so right here, what I like to do typically is I like to go ahead and just douse this with water because it's going to be outside. It's going to get cold. It's going to freeze. There's certain stages that this needs to go through in order for the seeds to do what they call cold stratification. So I'm going to go ahead and water this down and put seeds in there. Now, also right here, what you'll want to do is you'll want to know, still want to know about the depth that you need to put your seeds in at. So there's a little bit of room here. Depending on what seed I put in, I'll put it on there. I'll put a little more potting mix on top of it, re-wet it, good soil contact. And then some of them are surface sowed, so I will just sprinkle them on top and let nature do what it does. The good thing about this is that this will go through a natural process as if it was out in Mother Nature, out in the wild. And the reason why we call this the simplified method is simply because of this. There goes my mini greenhouse. What about yours? No tape, no nothing. I can still see through the top, and rain, snow, and all sorts of things can get in there. You'll have a nice circulation for heat and stuff to go through, condensation, buildup, and whenever I need to check, or let's say it's a warm day later on in the season, instead of untaping it and then taping it back up, all I gotta do is that. I'll see the sprouts and stuff, let them get some air. If it's warmer on that day, then later on at night, if I need to close it back up, I'll just put this back on there like so, and I'll be good to go. So on this one, this is basically what I'm going to show you right now. All right, so we got that done, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to plant strawberry seeds directly from the strawberries that we grew, the white or the yellow wonder strawberries. All right, so we've surface sowed those. I'll probably give them a little bit of water. We're going to cover it up, and we're just going to leave them outside until they decide to sprout. I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Winter soul, baby. There goes my mini greenhouse. What about yours? No tape, no nothing. Peace.